Hello, Intermediate Algebra 2 students. I thought I would take a minute to make a quick video to answer some questions I'm getting quite a bit of on email and through Schoology. And that is, where can I find things that I'm missing? So if you look in Infinite Campus and you see you're missing something from Unit 9, this would be the place to look. And when you open this page up, it lists where each week and what was covered in that week. So if you're missing the Unit 9 test, there it is. And it would be in week 5. If it's not something you're missing from Unit 9, but from our newest unit, Unit 5, well, there's a page for that as well. And again, same setup. So as we move into this last bit, please keep up on your work. You're doing a great job. If you have anything missing, do your best to make that stuff up. And I will look forward to seeing you next fall when you don't have to have me for intermediate algebra.